Hello everyone, welcome back to Relamurti. I'm in my new studio. Even though I've posted video from this place, I haven't created any art in this place. Today let's make something, but actually I'm kind of confused like how to start and what to do in this channel, and I mean what to do today, like where to begin. I'm confused. And having no idea where to start from. So I'm just having my doodle book here, so I'm just going to start by doodling something to break the ice. So let's start.
So to begin with, we have a 100 GSM sketchbook, metallic pastel sketch pens and ballpoint pens. So I'm just doing a freehand sketching using the pen so that it will turn out into a picture at the end. It's like a therapy. When you start doing this, you will have the flow. You will end up creating something. Let yourself go with the flow and stop thinking, stop imagining, and let it go, let it flow.
So I'm done with the painting. I hope you like the video. Maybe I'll do one more video today, but I'll post this next video. So until we meet again in the next video, take care. Do the things that make you happy. Bye.